my art room. It's Carole. Today I'm going to do a spiral pour or a ring pour, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to try some colors, some yellows, red, and some blue. I'm trying to see if I can get like a sunset colors. So first I have some Artist Loft white that I'm going to put in the bottom. I'm just layering it in my measuring cup, and this is I think it's 10 by 10, so it'd probably take about 100. It's 100 square inches, so probably about 6 ounces or 7 ounces. So so some of these are Artist Loft. Finish this one off. It's an Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Yellow. And then I have a pale yellow. Let's hope I have enough yellow. I'm going to put some more. Time to make some new paints. Some more yellow in there. So these are the lighter colors in the bottom, and they're going to come out last. That's what I wanted to do. And this is a Dollar Rowney bright red, or brilliant red. These are mixed with floetrol. Just hope I got enough. Okay, so here it goes. I'm gonna look at those bubbles in there. See if I can get them out. gloves on. Now I think I'm going to have to pour into something because this is going to pour off a lot of paint. All right, I'll put this here. That is very cool. I love this blue. Touch up the sides a bit. You like to put the same color down the side that was rolling off the side, if you can. Clean out your bottoms, then it won't run off as much. I need some orange and yellow over here. And there was no silicone in this. I'm pretty sure. All right, look at that. I can't find any yellow. No, I guess that's the end of this cloth. There's some. I don't want any more to run off. It's too cool. Too cool. Leave it, and I just hope it stays like this. Wow. really like it. I think it was just enough amount of paint. I was going for like a sunset. Well, it sure looks like sunset colors, that's for sure. Wow. A little bit of purple there. Green here. All right. I had another plan for this if it didn't turn out the way I like. I was gonna do a string pull on top, but I'm not messing with this one. It's beautiful the way it is. So I'm gonna hold it up for you. I really, really like it. Okay, so come back soon to Carole's Art Room. The dried results will be at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay everyone, I'm back to have a look at my dried painting. This is so awesome. It dried awesome, smooth. Can't wait to varnish this. It'll look so good. Look at all those beautiful cells, bright colors. There you go. There you have the dried results. Thanks for coming by. Bye.